Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. So on this channel I do share crafts like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how to flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients, and we do share DIY, like a real DIY, which really works for your body, your hair, your face, and we also share cosmetic DIY and how to grow back your edges. If you are having a challenge with thinning hair, all these videos, all this info is on this channel, and I'm so enthusiastic about growing our crown, which our God gave us. We need to embrace it, love it, and style it. Yes, so if you're not on my channel, click on that subscribe button and subscribe today. So to my 252 subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for your love and your support. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you one ingredient that has actually helped my edges to grow. Like, friends, I'm telling you, my edges were gone. So like, it's been 1 year of using aloe vera. Yes, 1 year of using aloe vera juice. Yes, so like this ingredient actually did help to grow back my edges. Make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So you need some aloe vera, or you can use some aloe store-bought. So you have to make sure that you pick all the thicker leaves. Let the yellow latex drain from leaf and discard the latex. And you have to make sure that you rinse it, of any dairy which may be there. As you can see, like, we are washing it to make sure that our aloe is so clean. And of course, like this type of aloe, of course, there are 450 species of aloe vera. So this type actually doesn't have a lot of aloe or the yellow latex in it. In fact, I did a video on how you can remove aloe. I'll link it in the description box below. So that is how it looks like, the dairy and the aloe. So at this point, we cut off the sharp spiny edges from the aloe and make sure that you cut across to scoop the gel with a spoon. So fresh aloe vera gel doesn't last long, but you can store it in the sealable container in the fridge for at least 1 week, or freeze it or preserve it. So of course, some people say aloe vera, of course, aloe vera helps with hair growth, but there's no scientific proof. However, but research believe that the alanine, a chemical compound in the plant, is a primary factor in promoting hair growth, as found with people with hair loss condition called alopecia. So it has been used to improve hair healthy and less breakage, which contributes to hair growth. You can buy aloe gel from stores. Look for products that has 100% of aloe vera without any added ingredients like fragrances and alcohol. You can also extract gel from aloe leaves, or you can grow it as a home plant. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on that red subscribe now and subscribe today. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. To my 262 subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for your love and your support. And to my viewers, I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Aloe doesn't just only stimulate hair growth or grow back your edges, but it would also benefit your scalp. So it helps with itchy scalp, which is called seborrheic dermatitis, which is a common inflammatory skin condition that affects your scalp. It causes dandruff, skin, and scaly patches. So research has found that aloe vera can significantly decrease scaliness and itchiness. Aloe vera will also protect your hair from UV damage. A study found that fresh aloe vera juice offers protection from UV ultraviolet radiation that comes through the sun. So UV exposure can cause your hair to lose shine and color and make it rough, less elastic, leading to breakage. So the amount of protection from UV lights depend on the type of hair. So at this point, like, our aloe is ready, we are going to use it. So like, I use aloe like every day on my edges. And sometimes I would go like 3 times in a week, and I don't rinse it. So I've been using aloe for 1 year, friends. So what I'm telling you is the truth, that aloe really helped to grow out my edges. So of course, one day I'm going to do a full video on what I did, some of the things I did, like to grow back my edges. So that video actually will be done when I'm done with the 6 months hair challenge. So I'm in a challenge of 6 months of twist protective hairstyles with no added hair, with my own hair. So I've clocked 3 months in my challenge. So soon I'm going to post a video, in our 4th month of actually using twist to retain some length. So as you can see, like I used to massage it in on my scalp, because massaging your scalp, your edges will promote blood flow to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. So I really love this step. I do this step when washing my hair, moisturizing my hair, shampooing, when I'm doing hot oil treatments. So, of course, for you to see some results, you have to be very patient and very consistent. It's not something that you can do for just 1 month or 2 weeks and then you give up to say it's not working. Friends, for you to see results, you need to be very consistent. And of course, you know what, friends, like you need to, avoid high maintenance hairstyles. I did away with high maintenance hairstyles. If you've been on this channel for quite long, of course my channel is 1 year and a month, like I don't do high maintenance hairstyles. I do low manipulation hairstyles which do not wreak havoc on our edges. And make sure that you avoid heavier products. Yes, so as you can see, we are massaging our scalp. Yes, so make sure that you use the pads of your fingers. And you can also go in with a leaf if you so wish, or a gel or a juice. All of them are very, very effective. Just like massage the leaf inside. Yes, and then work it throughout your edges. So dear friends, give this video a like and comment in the section below if you have ever tried aloe vera gel or juice to grow back your edges. You can testify in the comments if aloe vera has really worked for you. So friends, are you going to try out aloe vera? Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.